At LiquidSpace, we're big believers in flexibility and choice. The way we see it, the best place to work is the place that works best for you. After all, the way we work has evolved. These days, going to work means different things. It might mean going to a cafe, going to a co-working space, or going nowhere at all. Empowering people to work from where it works for them is what LiquidSpace is all about. And we make it easy to choose the space that works best, thanks to the largest network of on-demand spaces. From large brands in the urban core to boutique spaces closer to home. It means the world is your workplace. Where do you want to work today? At LiquidSpace, we're making it easy to find on-demand space for concentration, collaboration, or for co-working. For whatever it is you and your colleagues need to get done. And it's as easy as ordering a rideshare or making a dinner reservation. Use LiquidSpace to explore locations nearby or anywhere. Find the space that fits your needs. Book and confirm your reservation instantly. And check in when you arrive. Can't find what you're looking for? No problem. We're here to help. And once you've booked your space, we'll send everything you need to know before you arrive and give you a direct line to the host to answer any additional questions. Whatever it is, wherever it is, whenever you need it, LiquidSpace takes the work out of booking it.